what's good everyone? It's Marvin from mjo23dan.com. Today I have two new pickups, and these are the Air Jordan 1 Pine Green, Court Purple. Let's get on with the review. Alright, so before we get into the shoes, I wanted to show you guys the box label. So if you guys are in the market of trying to get these pairs, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description if you guys want to cop a pair yourself. But here's the box label for the Pine Green and the Court Purple. First we have the Pine Green, so you guys can pause the video if you guys want and take a look at the specs right there. And here's the same thing for the Court Purple. Alright, so for review purposes, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the left sneaker of each shoe because it does have the extra laces on it. So here's the left shoe of the Court Purple and then the left shoe of the Pine Green 1. Now both shoes I picked up at my local Foot Locker and Foot Action the day before release, which was September 21, 2018. A Foot Action notification popped up on the Pine Green, so this one was no longer available for raffle. It was going to be first come first serve, which this morning when I hit the mall at 10 a.m. I saw a big line outside of Foot Action, which kind of sucked because we enter these raffles and we want to be able to guarantee ourselves a pair. So fortunately I was able to get the Court Purple under raffle at Foot Action, so that kept, but the Pine Green I won at Foot Locker. So I did have a raffle for Foot Action for the Pine Green, but I'm pretty sure I would have won if I had the Court Purple on lock. So even though I've seen these pairs up close, in hand, in person, I still don't know which one I would choose as a favorite. So you guys let me know, what would you choose, the purples or the greens? I'm kind of leaning towards the greens. I know the purples are a lot more limited, but the greens, like, I rarely, well, even the purple ones, but I rarely see like green on an Air Jordan. Michael Jordan battled the Boston Celtics for many years in the 80s, and green was probably something that we would have really never seen on an Air Jordan. Actually, we don't see a lot of it on Air Jordans. Then again, on the flip side, we don't see a lot of purple on Air Jordans. So these two colorways are pretty interesting, and it really makes a bold statement. The colors on it are very rich and very bold, and it's just really striking. This is a sail colorway on the midsole and on the midfoot panel on both shoes. It's not going to be a white color, so when you guys get them in hand, you'll notice that off the bat. A lot of people have also asked me, what would you compare it to? I would really compare it to the bread toes. So if you got the bread toes earlier, like a few months back, it's pretty much the same but in a different style color blocking. So I'm not gonna say shattered backboard, although it's pretty close, but I'm just gonna go out and say that it's really close to the bread toes. So if you guys like that release, that's definitely where it's at. As far as like the color of the laces to the color of the upper, it's not going to be really the same. I would say that the upper is a little bit lighter than it is for the laces themselves, and that never really always matches up. So even the soles, like the soles are going to be different, a rubber versus a leather. So that's the green one. The purple one's also pretty much the same. The one thing I do appreciate that Jordan Brand is doing though is the black tongue, and something that we haven't seen out there yet is a true remastered Air Jordan 1 black toe that Michael Jordan wore in NBA games. We always saw the ones with the white tongue, but nothing with a black tongue. So that's something that I'm looking forward to if they ever do it, release it in that fashion. One thing I do like about the newer style, like, you know, red toes and green toes and purple toes and all that stuff, is that it's the same color blocking as it is on like the upper of the shoe. I really do like the hit that they put on the toes, and it's not always white, so it matches the rest of the shoe. When the bread toes originally released, I always thought that was weird, but you know, I've kind of warmed up to that, and it's something that I look forward to in Air Jordans now. But you know, the classics are always going to be the classics. When I picked up my pair this morning, I wore the Chicago 1s, so you know, there's no fail in that. So it comes with the, you know, same tonal laces as the upper, purples to purple, green to green. Then we have black laces tied up on the shoes. On the insole itself, it's going to be a white insole, and it's going to be a matching color to the shoes. So with the pine greens, it's pine green. With the court purples, it's court purple. As far as fit's concerned, it's gonna be true to size. In Air Jordan 1s, I'm usually true to size. I've never really had to change my size for any of the Jordans. I mean, I would go like half size up, but Jordan 1s in my true size 10, they fit well. So if you guys know your true size in Air Jordans, I would stick to that. As far as future colorways are concerned, one colorway I would love to see would be probably a royal colorway. I would like to see like a royal toe, maybe something in orange, you know, just all the colors of the rainbow. I think it would really make these shoes pop. Jordan 1s, man, they're one of the greatest sneakers that are out in the retro market today. So anyways, again, the court purple and the pine green Air Jordan 1. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys would choose, which ones you guys cooked on. If you guys missed on it, let me know what your story is. Even if it's something that you want to vent, let me know. Shout out to a couple of the dudes that saw me locally here at the Foot Action in my town and said what's up. You didn't buy a t-shirt though, but I do have t-shirts still for sale. It's on mjo23dan.com/shop. I have size small through extra large. I'm still not sure about the bigger sizes. I was thinking about doing a pre-order, but I want to make sure that people are going to be committed to buying a shirt. And looks like it's been a little bit stagnant for now, but again, the shirts, they're only like 15 bucks. This is what it is. So it's like a pre-shrunk 100% cotton tee, and it's got a distressed logo on it right there. So if you guys did support and purchase a shirt, shout out to you guys. They're only 15 bucks. Again, hit up mjo23dan.com/shop. And that should be the review. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And I will talk to you guys later. Take care.